Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do Leetcode weekly challenge. First question, alternating digit sum. So here let us first read this question, then about constraint, and finally coding part for the same. You are given a positive integer n. Each digit n has a sign according to the following rule. The most significant digit is assigned a positive sign. So basically the most significant digit is here 4 and the least significant digit here is 1. So here the most significant digit is assigned a positive sign. So that's the thing. And each other digit has an opposite sign to its adjacent digit. So here, if it is having the positive sign, so it will be having negative sign and it will again have the positive sign. And at the end, we are required to return the sum of all the digits with their corresponding sign. So the thing here is we are here required to check for the each digit and their sign and how we are required to do so. See, here F451 which is given to us. So here alternates would be having the positive sign, right? So 4 would be having the positive sign and 1 would be having the positive sign. So now what we can do here is we can directly just add the alternate digit with each other. He's adding 4 with the 1. And then if this minus 5 which is there, if something like, see, if the number was something like this, then we would have added 5 with 6. Means basically adding up all the alternate digits with each other, whether it is for the negative sign or it is for the positive sign. Means basically we will be having two sets with us, not the STL set, just the number sets would be with us. And then what we will be doing is we'll check that if the whole number which was there, if it was positive, right? So in that context, we will be adding the first set and subtracting the second set from the same. And if other way around is there, then we will be adding the second set and subtracting the first set. So this is how we will be getting at the end as sum. So this is what we are required to do in this particular question. And now it just remains the implementation for the same. So let us go ahead with the implementation part for the same. So here, whatever input is given to us, I'm taking that as a string by converting that to a string, then taking my two variables where I will be storing both the sets of the numbers. So now first traversing my string and then adding up all the alternates to one set and the other alternates to other set. And then if my n is basically less than 0, means if my whole number is less than 0, then I am returning y minus x, else I am returning x minus 1. So this is what we are required to do in this particular question. And according to that, the time complexity becomes order of 1 and the space complexity also becomes order of 1. So this was all for this particular question. If you have any doubt, you could comment that down with a timestamp for the same. And if you like the explanation, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. So this was all. Thank you.